Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
And we have a lot, we can multiply. We have a lot of people that want to employ young people.
Launching later on in the year. So
that is what we need. That we have a lot of young people, and you don't even need a degree, you don't need a diploma. You just need this small program in cybersecurity, in networking, in software development, Python, whatever they call them, and it gives them the confidence, the skills to play at the global level. Because tech skills are not for Kenya. Tech skills are for the world.
But the challenge, as you all know, is that Kenya is very good at creating new firms, but it has not been able to move them up, scale them up. That's where I think the block is. And the KIEP, one of its focus is trying to do that.